back from another trip and I have a few packages for video review. I think I know which one is this. I've been expecting it for a while. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, it is. It's the turbojet fan with vacuum cleaner. This is really cool because I have had other compressors or just fans basically, but not the dual function as vacuum, which I've always thought it was kind of weird because yeah, it's exactly the same as some other ones that I have had. This one you can reverse it here, so out, in. Let's see if it's charged. So you can see see what else we have here. Obviously instruction, but that should be very basic things. All the accessories, the parameters, what's in the package. You can inflate different kind of equipment. You can use it just as a little compressor. And then the vacuum function, which is the one I'm the most interested in for the cars especially. So this is in. Oh wow. There's a little vent that opens here and a filter that eventually you can clean there. I really like this product because I always wanted to have something like that for different spaces. You can add even this, look at that. So for better reach. And a brush. I'm gonna try this in the car. Different. Oh, this is oh no, this is for the other side. So you can have really well designed product. There's a little brush to clean up. More attachments. Oh, a lot of attachments. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 attachments. Plus your USB-C charging cable. I really like this product. I'm gonna do a little demo in the car. Comes with this little pouch to put everything out. I give away most of this stuff to my friends. I might have to keep this one because I like it. Let's go and try it in the car. So let's do a first demonstration with this turbo. Oh, I forgot, it has a light too. I didn't see this before. Pretty useful. But anyway, the main purpose of this is either a blower and a vacuum. So let's see how powerful this is. We get a lot of dry leaves from this tree here on their cars in the driveway. And it actually does the job. I'm surprised. I usually use a garden leaf blower. So this one does it. Let's check a little more here. Some pretty stubborn stuff here. They really get into the tiniest of places, but as you can see, this blower does the job without having to bring out the main or the big blower. Now let's get in here and use the other attachments as a vacuum cleaner. Let's switch this. Get the main attachment with the filter. Oh yeah, it goes like this. So in, let's go from the other side. Or maybe here. Oh yeah, we can do a little bit here. The car needs a wash, a general wash, but for now, let's try here. Let's see back here what we got. A little bit, not too much. Actually, it's pretty clean in here. So there you have it. First demonstration with this super powered turbo fan and vacuum cleaner. This is a keeper. I'm gonna enjoy this one for a long time and use it for many different things. I can also clean my shop, for example, where I do some crafts. And let's see how much dirt and stuff we got actually out. Oh yeah, there you have it. And we can clean the filter now. Here are the specifications. Input 5 volt, 3 amps, charging port type C, motor BLDC, and working time 10 to 16 minutes, so depending on the intensity of the vacuum cleaner or the blower, you get that. It gets a little bit warm, but that's expected because there must be a little motor here doing like really high RPM. But you turn it off and keep working with it. So thumbs up to this super powered turbo fan and vacuum cleaner. Good product. I'm actually gonna keep the box because it's pretty good to put everything away and stay safe. So there you go.